welcome to a bonus episode of A Cookbook Collector. I'm really excited for this episode because my lavender finally bloomed and is ready to cut, which means it's lavender cookie time. So I just so happen to have one of the best lavender cookie recipes that I have ever tasted. We have a family cookbook, and a family friend of ours went ahead and put her lavender cookie recipe in here. And so that's the one that I'm going to share with you today. So we're going to go ahead and get this lavender ready and make some cookies.
Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. First, let's go out to the garden and cut some lavender. Lavender loves full sun and very good draining soil, which is why I've got mine in raised beds. Lavender is one of the easiest herbs to grow as it doesn't require much water and no fertilizer. I'm not going to dry my lavender before I use it in the cookies, so if you do buy dried culinary lavender, reduce the amount by 2/3 as dry lavender is much more potent than fresh. If you've picked your lavender fresh, you'll now have the tedious job of taking all the buds off the stems. I'm using the full half a cup that the recipe calls for, but remember, if you're using dried, cut that down. If not, your cookies will be too strong. Now you're going to make your lavender sugar. Combine all your sugar and lavender flowers in a blender and pulse until the lavender is almost fine. This infuses the sugar with the oils of the lavender and gives a more intense flavor throughout the cookie. Now you're going to cream your butter before you add any of your other ingredients. Once creamed, you can then add your egg, your lavender sugar, and your flour. I saved my butter wrappers so that I could use those to grease my cookie sheets later. Don't be afraid to experiment with lavender in your cooking. Since it was introduced into England in the 1600s, Queen Elizabeth had it made into jam, but now it's expanded into lots of different products, including teas, desserts, breads, and salads. You can also substitute lavender for any bread that calls for rosemary. Once you've buttered your pan, you'll now put about 1/2 teaspoon of cookie dough onto the sheet. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Lavender is a popular culinary herb all over the world, and during ancient Roman times, flowers were sold for as much as a month's wages for a farm laborer. You can even use the greens of lavender to flavor your meat and vegetables. These cookies are perfect with tea and make a beautiful and aromatic addition to any event you bring them to.
And there you go. There's the recipe for the easiest and one of the best lavender cookie recipes I've ever had. They are so buttery and delicate and crispy. They're absolutely perfect for tea party, weddings, bridal shower, anything you want to use as an excuse to make them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.